Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to turn your Govee lights on or off at sunrise or sunset. First, make sure your Govee lights are already set up in the Govee Home app. Your phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the lights. Open the Govee Home app and sign in to your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on Automation. In some versions this may also be called Smart or Scene. Now tap the plus icon to create a new automation. Choose Schedule or Timer, depending on what you see. Next, select the option for sunrise or sunset. You will see two choices. One is to turn the light on, and the other is to turn the light off. Pick the action you want. After that, select the Govee light or group of lights you want to control. You can also set brightness and color if the device supports it. Choose the days of the week you want this automation to run. Most people choose every day. When everything looks correct, tap Save. The automation is now active. You can also edit it at any time to adjust the time, days, or lights it controls. This allows you to make changes as your schedule or preferences change. That is how you control Govee lights at sunrise and sunset. Thanks for watching.